Well, like I said, most of the time when I got involved with the criminal justice system was when I was in the middle of a manic episode. I got arrested several times, for things like loitering, vagrancy, that kind of stuff, nothing really serious. And I would spend maybe a couple of days incarcerated or something like that, and then I'd get released, nothing really serious. I know 6 years ago, I got involved in a situation that caused me to be incarcerated for 6 months. And that and that was before I think the people who run the criminal justice system really didn't have too much of an idea of how to deal with people with mental illnesses. Since I've been here in Baltimore, I understand that NAMI has a program where they do the In Our Own Voices presentation. They do it for people involved in the criminal justice system, like policemen, probation, parole, people who are involved in the criminal justice system, to make them more aware of the symptoms of the people they might be dealing with and the behaviors of some of the people that they might be dealing with. But I know when I was involved in the criminal justice system, there was no understanding about that. I know when I was incarcerated, I tried to tell them that what was going on with me, medications that I might need, but they totally ignored that. Either they gave me a medication that wasn't effective, or they just totally ignored the whole situation. I imagine, if I hadn't been in a full-blown manic episode, I might have feared for my life or whatever. But I was totally gone in the time that I spent incarcerated, and I was suffering from delusions. I couldn't sleep. My appetite was bad. I had all the classic signs, and rather than them taking me and putting me in a hospital setting, they treated me just like I was a regular inmate, and they have particular ways that they deal with you. If you're acting out or whatever, they have a particular way they deal with you. They may put you in isolation or send you to another part of the jail or whatever. They had certain ways that they dealt with it, and I guess if I hadn't been manic at the time, I probably should have been in fear, but actually I wasn't. But it was overall a bad experience. I really had a bad experience with the criminal justice system, But now that I'm not involved, and I've had a chance to be exposed to the programs that NAMI offers, I look back on that situation now, and I understand just why I was treated the way I was treated. Whether or not that situation was fair or not, I can't decide, but I understand now exactly the way I was treated, But I'd have to say my experience with the criminal justice system was very negative.